Arkansas, eastern Johnson County and western Arkansas, northeastern Logan County and western Arkansas, south central Newton County and north central Arkansas, Polk, POPE County in central Arkansas, west central Van Buren County and north central Arkansas, north central Yell County in central Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 2 miles northwest of London, or 10 miles northwest of Russellville, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Carroll, Salo, Smyrna, Piney Bar Recreation Area, London, Lamar, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Lake Dardanelle, Knoxville, Pullman, Hector, Dover, Phillip, Cabin Creek Recreation Area, Bloomfield, Rock Creek Lake, Burma, Simpson. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 63 and 83. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Arkansas.